Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to your lecture number 15. In lecture number 15, we will do the review exercise from lesson number 1 to 4. First is choose the correct meaning of the underlined words. It was so delicate situation. Delicate means sensitive. Number 2. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Steadfast means sabit kadam rehna, so the best meanings are firm and resolute. Next, number 3. Vindictive means revengeful, full of revenge. And the next, number 4, astonish means हैरान करना. The best answer to this is surprise. Number 5, the students are all geared up, तैयार होना. The best answer is ready. And the next, number 6, eloquence means fasahat, so the best answer is fluency. And the next, 7th one is devotion means loyalty. Now we will come to the grammar work. Choose the correct option. In number 1, verb is a, are, and, so we have to use the abstract noun. Verb is an abstract noun. Number 2, some are born great. Some is underlined, so we have to told that what is it according to grammar. According to grammar, it is indefinite pronoun. Next, number 3, my mother will be dash if I get home late. So the best answer is anxious. Number 4, Saqib is leaving dash Friday at noon. Leaving on Friday. Next, number 5, we are studying dash English. We are studying dash English, a English, an English, the English, yeah, none of the. So we are here we do not need to use an article. Number 6, how good the night is. This is a, are, and sentence. This is an exclamatory sentence, and we are also seeing that there is a sign of exclamation. Number 7, I dash you ride my bike if you like. I will give you ride my bike if you like. Number 8, you dash be punctual. You should be punctual. Number 9, the boys laughs loudly. So the best answer is laughs loudly. Is it transitive or untransitive? Intransitive, regular or irregular. Transitive verbs are verbs if the action passes from verb's action passes to object. Here the action of laughs is not passing towards the object, and it doesn't need object, so it is intransitive verb. So best answer is intransitive. Number 10, open the window. The passive voice of this sentence is let the window be opened is the best answer. So dear students, this is on the part of review exercise from lesson number 1 to 4. This is your lecture number 4, and in this lesson you will have to do the on your classwork answers of the following question which was given at the start. Answer the following question. These are 8 questions, and you have already read these questions in your lessons. So it's your classwork that you have to write the answer of these 8 questions. So thank you very much with this lecture. You have to do the classwork, and the classwork you have to do the 8 questions. Okay, Allah Hafiz.